Radhe Radhe everyone. I'm your Reena ma'am. Welcome back to today's session. So kids, today we'll do page number 62 and 64. Page number 62 and 64 from your English main book. आज हम लोग आपके English book का पेज नंबर 62 and 64 जो ये एक्सरसाइज है वो करेंगे और आपका आज का ये होमवर्क है, तो आप पहले यहाँ समझ लीजिएगा, उसके बाद घर पे आप अपना होमवर्क फिनिश कीजिएगा. सो नाउ विदाउट टेकिंग मोर टाइम लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल टॉक अबाउट पेज नंबर 62. पेज नंबर 62, it has been written on the top, tick the correct final blends and fill in the blanks. Tick the correct final blends and fill in the blanks. Okay, यहाँ पर कुछ ब्लेंड्स लिखे हुए हैं और उनकी मदद से हम यहाँ जो ब्लैंक है विल फिल this blank. So look at the picture. This is the picture of ring. This is the picture of ring and the spelling of ring R-I-N-G. R-I-N-G. So which blend we will fill here? हम लोग यहाँ कौन सा blend लिखेंगे? This one is correct. So we will fill R-I-N-G. Spelling of ring R-I-N-G. Spelling of ring R-I-N-G. Next, this is the picture of paint. Picture of paint. And the spelling of paint P-A-I-N-T. P-A-I-N-T. So, which blend is correct? This one. N-D. Sorry, N-T. This is not. This one is incorrect. Okay. N-T. P-A-I-N-T. Will fill N-T blend here. P-A-I-N-T. Spelling of paint P-A-I-N-T. So now we'll fill N-T. This blend is correct. Next picture. This is the picture of nest. This is the picture of nest. Nest means ghosla. And the spelling of nest N-E-S-T. Spelling of nest N-E-S-T. So now we'll look for which blend is correct. This is S-T and this is N-D. Then now we'll fill here. Now we'll fill here S-T. N-E-S-T nest. N-E-S-T nest. This one is correct. This one is correct. Next picture. This is the picture of bank. This is the picture of bank. And the spelling of bank B-A-N-K. Spelling of bank B-A-N-K. बैंक मीन्स वेयर वी डिपॉजिट आर मनी. जहां हमारे पैसे जमा रहते हैं, जहां वो पैसे सेफ रहते हैं, वो क्या कहलाते हैं? बैंक कहलाते हैं. ठीक है, B-A-N-K बैंक. सो दिस वन इज correct. This one is correct. And the spelling of B-A-N-K. Next picture. Now we'll talk about next picture. This is a picture of pump. Pump. Spelling of pump P-U-M-P. Spelling of pump P-U-M-P. So now this one is correct. So we will fill here M-P. This is the picture of cold drink and cold drink is cold. Cold drink क्या होता है? ठंडा होता है. C-O-L-D. Spelling of cold C-O-L-D. So this one is correct. So first word is R-I-N-G, ring. After doing this page you will learn all the words with spelling. आपको ये पेज करने के बाद ये जितने भी वर्ड्स हैं आपको स्पेलिंग के साथ लर्न करने हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट डे आई विल आस्क यू फॉर. ओके. R-I-N-G ring. P-A-I-N-T paint. N-E-S-T nest. N-E-S-T nest. B-A-N-K bank. P-U-M-P pump. C-O-L-D cold. C-O-L-D cold. Okay, let's move on next page. Next page क्या है हमारा? Look at the picture and color the correct words for them. Also write the correct words in the blanks. Look at the pictures and color the correct words. Color the correct words. Also write the correct words in the blank. You may have seen a lot of pictures here. यहाँ पे आप कुछ pictures देख रहे होंगे, and there are two words here. So you have to identify which one is correct, the spelling of this picture. Okay, so first picture is this is an ice cream. This is an ice cream. ये क्या है? एक आइसक्रीम है और ये कोन शेप में है, तो इसे हम लोग कोन भी बोलते हैं, ठीक है. एंड द स्पेलिंग ऑफ कोन CONE. स्पेलिंग ऑफ कोन CONE. करेक्ट स्पेलिंग इज दिस वन. सो वी विल कलर दिस वर्ड. हम लोग इस सर्कल को, इस वर्ड को कलर करेंगे. एंड नाउ विल राइट करेक्ट स्पेलिंग इन दिस blank. Okay, this is the picture of cake. This is the picture of cake. And correct spelling of cake, which one? This one, CAKE, cake. So we will color this word, this circle we can say. Okay, इसे भी हम लोग color कर देंगे. And correct spelling we will write in this blank. Okay, so now identify which is this? Which picture is this? Which picture is this? This is the picture of kite. This is the picture of kite. And correct spelling of kite, which one? This one. Spelling of kite, KITE. Spelling of kite, KITE. So now I will color this word. This circle को हम लोग, इस word को हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Color कर देंगे. And we will write the spelling of kite in this blank. Next picture, this is the picture of gate. This is the picture of gate. And what is the spelling of gate? GATE. GATE. So which one is correct? Which one is correct? कौन सा correct है? This one. So we will color this word, this circle, and again we will write correct spelling and in this blank. Next, last one. This is the picture of cube. This is the picture of cube. And spelling of cube, CUBE. CUBE. So this one is correct. So we will color this word. And now we will write the spelling, correct spelling of cube in this blank. Okay. Okay. Let's recap. First picture, cone. This is cone, spelling of cone, CONE. This is the picture of cake, spelling of cake, CAKE. This is the picture of kite, and the spelling of kite, KITE. KITE. This is the picture of gate, and the spelling of gate, GATE. GATE. So kids, you have to do these pages, page number 62 and 64, and after doing the page you have to learn all these words with spelling. ये pages complete करने के बाद आपको इनको spelling के साथ learn करना है. This is your today's homework. So I hope you must have understood. Bye bye. Take care. Keep practicing and have fun.